guys, it's Chris with the GT Supercharged channel. I'm back this week, and tonight we're going to go to a really awesome car meet at IKEA here in College Park, Maryland. And we'll be meeting up with some people from the Beltway Mustang group. And one of them has a really awesome GT350, so I'm pretty stoked to put this next to that and take some pictures. And we're going to have an awesome time, so let's do it. So I arrive at the first meet, it's at IKEA, and I'm like, oh yeah, it looks great. There's lots of Mustangs here, and usually you don't see a lot of muscle cars and things around here. It's all little Honda Civics and things, and that's cool too, but not really my thing. But anyways, yeah, I was pretty stoked, and I hung out for 5 minutes. So check this out. So do you just carry half shafts around in your trunk all the time?
I have to bring them to my guy who's building my other truck.
Nice. That's awesome.
That car needs it. Yeah. Oh my god, dude! That's one. This has to be like 50 pounds. 1,000 horsepower limit though. This is fucking heavy.
Good, you can work out with it.
It's surprisingly heavy. That is surprisingly heavy. That's what I'm saying. You should take that because my Eco needs some more power tonight. I want to feel what like stock would feel like.
So after a very short time at the first meeting zone IKEA, my buddies told me that everyone is going to the next place, which is in Largo. And everyone from this meeting is going there now. Little did I know that this was a way for everyone to avoid the meet being broken up by the police. And I was heading into a very young environment filled with burnouts, revving racer cars, police everywhere. Anyway, I like to look at cars and see all the work people put into them, but I'm really not so much into the dangerous driving aspect. I'm actually really cautious, and this drive, it made me nervous. So stay tuned to see how this turns out.
It's like the.
I can see every diode that's ugly.
A lot of Mustangs, though. I've seen a lot of Mustangs tonight. Earlier. Yeah, I've seen that too. I saw it at the Annapolis Mall meet or whatever.
I think you should be good with those. I should be good with this one, right? Yeah, you should be good. There's 2 bars left.
Is this a thing? Yeah.
Yes, these were posted at Chick-fil-A.
What? I'm surprised that car didn't blow. Better check our cars.
Yeah.
This is some shady shit here. If anybody, if the cops come over here and arrest us, we're out. Eat dinner. Right. And we can't get out. Pretty much. Because we are obviously not part of this group. Good night, guys. We'll leave next time, man.
Sir, have fun with dinner.
Yeah, right. Always. Good night.
Well, at this point, I'm thinking, well, we should just go away and check. Alright guys, so this meet has been really stupid. I mean, no class whatsoever. And it's going to be tough to get out of here. I mean, really tough. There's like these little ricers all over backfiring and popping and doing crazy shit, and people doing burnouts everywhere. So, yeah, not my thing, but finally we're moving. That's great. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the night with a nice car wash, and we're going to move on from that. I don't think I'm going to be doing a show like that anymore. That was just not fun for me. So, hope you enjoyed the video though, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.